Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be making for you guys fried chicken wings. And as you can see, I have my Dutch pot that I love my Dutch pot. And I'm gonna be adding about a cup and a half of oil, and I'm gonna let my oil get hot before I put my chicken wings in. Guys, you don't want your oil to be too hot, because the last thing you want is for your chicken to cut to be burned on the outside and the inside is not cooked, or it's brown too fast and the inside is not done. All right, so you want your oil to be hot but not too hot, but hot enough for when you put your chicken in there, they're sizzling. All right, so to this, guys, as you can see, I added a couple cloves of garlic to the oil, and with the garlic, it's also going to help me to let me know when my oil is hot, because once those start frying up, then you're going to know, hey, the pot is ready, chicken wings are ready to go. So I have my chicken wings seasoned from ahead of time, and this is my flour mix. So in this container I have flour, I have a little bit of adobo seasoning, I have a little bit of Larry seasoning, and I also have Jamaican chicken seasoning that I brought from Jamaica, guys. I love these seasoning, love it. Gives the chicken a nice flavor and a nice color. So I mixed that up in my container, also with some seasoned breadcrumbs. And I seasoned my chicken lightly because I don't want it to be salty, and the flour mix already have the seasoning, so you want to make sure that your flour mix is not too salty and your chicken is not salty as well, because you want to be able to balance your seasoning, so when you flour your chicken, you just have the right amount of seasoning. Inside my flour mix, I also added a pack of Sazon, the one with Annatto, and this is what's going to give my chicken not only the flavor as well, it's going to give it a nice color. And you don't want to put too much, because you don't want your chicken to be too orangey. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now is I am making sure that I coat my chicken very well with the flour mix while my oil is still getting to the temperature that I need. Turn my stove down a little bit, because I don't want my oil to get too hot. And I'm just flouring them, putting them aside, and so I could put a certain amount in the pot at the same time. And I like to cook the flat part together and the drumstick part together as well. Alright, so here's my oil. It's getting to the temperature that I need, so I'm gonna start putting in my chicken wings. And again, guys, I just want to say thank you again, guys, for taking the time out to watch my video. Thank you guys for subscribing. For those of you who have not subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead, click that subscribe button, and not only that, click that notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. Alright guys, so back to cooking this chicken. Now I'm going to be putting my chicken in the oil. As you can see, the oil is not too hot. It's just perfect to start frying the chicken, but not frying them too fast to get them burnt and not cooked on the inside. And I don't know about you guys, but in all honesty, whenever I cook Sunday dinner, I always have some type of chicken wing on the side. It's either the fried chicken that I'm doing right now, or I do my sweet and spicy citrus chicken wings, and whatever other type of meat that I cook. And I always try to cook through meat on Sunday. So today, guys, I'm making, oxtail, but this video is strictly about the chicken. At the end, I'm going to show you guys once I put everything together. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to let these fry. And once they fry, I'm going to take them out. I'm going to put them on in a container with a piece of paper towel to help to soak up the oil if there's any, excess oil on it. And while these are getting golden brown, you know, trying to get other stuff done, you know, making my salad that's gonna go with my dinner. And as you can see now, my oil is getting, because I put the chicken wings in there because they're cold, it kind of was bringing the temperature down on the oil. So I turned my stove up a little bit just to bring back the oil to that perfect temperature that I need to cook my wings. And yes guys, I'm telling you, these chicken wings smell so good. And I love when I go to Jamaica to bring seasoning back. I don't know if other people like to do that, but I do. I bring the scallion back, I bring the thyme, you know, and you know, other stuff that I could bring back, like Scotch bonnet pepper, because I like when my food have that nice flavor. For some reason the seasoning is completely different. Okay, so these are frying up nicely. I'm gonna getting my plate ready with my paper towel, so I can take these out and place them on that paper towel, so that it could get rid of some of the oil off of that chicken. And also guys, what I like to do is I like to, you know, poke, even though I put a little slice in my chicken wing on both sides, I like to insert my fork through the wings so that it can, you know, cook through. That's a good way to make sure your chicken wings are soaked. And when you poke them also, if it's not cooked on the inside, bet your bottom dollar that it's going to show you right away that it's not cooked on the inside. Okay, and what you could also do too guys, you can put these in your oven on like 200 and let it finish soaking through. Or you know, what I do is I put mine in the oven on my counter to keep them, not only to make sure that they soak right through, but also to keep them warm until dinner is ready. So here we go guys. I wish you guys could smell what's going on here in this kitchen now. I am going to, instead of trying to take them out individually, I have this mesh scoop that I use, and I'm just going to boom, take them out and try to drain some of the oil off. And then I'm going to place them on my plate with my paper towel so they could dry, so they could drain some of the oil. And I'm going to go ahead guys, and I'm going to put some more in and let those fry up. And guys, the recipe will be in my description box, so you guys could see the ingredients that I use. And now I'm cooking in the drumstick part of my chicken wings, and I'm not sure if I'm the only one who likes to cook the flat part together and then cook the drumstick part together. I don't really care for the drumstick part of the chicken wing, but I like the flat part. That's my favorite part of the chicken wing. But overall, I love chicken wings. I rather chicken wings than any other part of the chicken. Chicken wings and the chicken back. Yeah, sometimes I get like really nice chicken back in the store that actually has meat on it and not just bone. And I like that. I like to use that to make curry chicken, because I don't really like the meat part of the chicken. Alright guys, so as you can see, and look at that nice color, and in all honesty guys, that is from the chicken seasoning that I got in Jamaica and the Sazon. So the amount of flour mix that I have in that container, I only use half a pack of the Sazon, because you don't want it to taste too much like the saffron. You don't want to take away the flavor from the chicken. And I'm gonna let these fry up, and I'm gonna remove them again with my net, place them on my plate with my paper towel, and let it soak away some of that oil. And then I'm gonna stick it in my oven and let it stay there and stay warm. And like I said, if it's not completely done, you know, them in that oven will finish it off for you. And again, I'm doing that same inserting my fork method just to make sure that the chicken cooks right there and through. And trust and believe me, like I said, if it's not cooked, once you poke that fork in there, it's gonna start. You see how it's frying because it's still there's still like not done on the inside. So whatever is inside now is the oil is hitting it and frying it up. Flipping these over on the other side and making sure that it's, you know, fried evenly on both sides or all the way around each other. And yes guys, so again, I went ahead and I removed those, and this is the last batch that I'm putting in to cook. And again guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to tell a friend to tell a friend. Angel Delight is cooking up some good stuff in the kitchen. And guys, don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. And if you are a subscriber from my first video, guys, thanks again for subscribing, and thanks again for continuing to following and watching my videos. And for those of you who have not subscribed yet but you're just passing through, go ahead, subscribe. All right guys, so I'm done frying up my wings, and I'm putting it together with some rice and peas and my oxtail. Again guys, I'm making Sunday dinner for my family, and voila, here we go. So you can have the chicken wings by itself, or as you can see, you could have it with the rice and peas and the oxtail and some salad. All right guys, see you on my next video.